Jai Srimanarayana. 14th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvametat Ritam manye Yanmaham vadasi Kesava Nahite Bhagavan Vyaktim Vidurdevana Danavaha. Om. Do not ever judge what Sri Krishna Paramatma spoke, because you have very limited understanding ability. Get convinced of all that Sri Krishna Paramatma spoke and realize that every word that Sri Krishna Paramatma spoke is absolute reality, and all his illustrious qualities are eternal. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not judge what you spoke. I realize that I have a very limited understanding ability. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that every word that you spoke is absolute reality. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 124th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after seeing entire universe in Krishna's mouth, Yasoda Devi now deciding that Krishna is none other than Sakshat Sriman Narayana. As soon as Yasoda Devi getting into a conclusion that her son is Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu, Sriman Narayana, immediately Ishvaraha Vaishnavim Vyatanot Mayam Putrasnehamayim Vibhuhu. Paramatma with his yoga maya, he again made Yasoda forget about his supremacy and again made Yasoda getting into the affection that Krishna is her son. Again, Paramatma made Yasoda drown into that Putravatsalyam, the son's attachment. As soon as Yasoda Devi realized that Krishna is none other than Sri Mahavishnu, immediately Paramatma's Visvarupam, whatever that Yasoda Devi is seeing, entire universe in Krishna's mouth is totally stopped. Then Yasoda Devi saw, yes, this is my son. Like that, immediately she started loving and pouring her affection on her son. Jadanu padi, yeruka chedi, a padatun, sarvatmudanu chupalukaka, atanin kodukani todapai nidukoni kaduve dukatoda, mamata gavinchenrupa. Because of Sri Mahavishnu's Yoga Maya, Yasoda Devi immediately, she totally forgot that Balakrishna is Sri Mahavishnu and started thinking that Balakrishna is her own son and took Balakrishna into her lap and started pouring her affection on him. Who is that Balakrishna? Trayyacha Upanishadbhischa Sankhya Yogaischa Satvataihi Upagiyamana Mahatmyam. The one whose glory is glorified by Sakshat all Vedas, Upanishads and other Shastras. Such Paramatma Harim Sa Amanyatatmajam. Now Yasoda Devi thinking that such great supreme Paramatma Sri Hari, Sriman Narayana, Deva Deva is her own son. Like that she is now thinking. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 14th sloka. Sarvametat ritam manye yanmam vadasi kesava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdevana danavaha. Sarvametat ritam manye yanmam vadasi kesava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdevana danavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.